Good morning, second graders. This is Mr. McMillan coming at you with another math review lesson. So today we're going to be reviewing how to use our place value strategies while using word problems. Solving word problems. Let's take a peek at our learning target for today. Our learning target for today is I will be able to answer word problems using our place value strategy. So we've been reviewing the last couple days our place value strategies, where we build our place values that have our hundreds, our tens place, and our ones place. And we've been getting questions that just have us basically are adding X amount of random things to random things. But today we're going to bring these real random abstract numbers from the universe into real life, and we're going to try to make it into a real word problem. So today your word problem is, let me move my face. It says, Mr. McMillan owns 145 board games. He stupidly purchased 16 more board games. How many does he have now? Here, let me make my face bigger. I'll show you. This is a problem in my life. So I don't even think 145 is right, but it's too many. And if you look on the top, I don't have enough room to place these 16 new ones that I bought. So we're going to try to solve this problem. Let me go back to another easier spot so you can see what we're working with. Okay, so we're back to our problem. Here's our problem, here's our kitty. Let's move the kitty. Okay, so let's look at our question first. Our question has some very important information inside of it. So who is it about? It's about me, Mr. McMillan, and tells us how many board games he starts with. So I started with 145 board games. That's how many I already own. So that'll tell me that that's probably one of our numbers, right? So up here, I'm going to type in 145. So I know that I own 145. The next part of the question says he stupidly, I think it's kind of stupid, I should stop buying, purchased 16 more. So when you purchase something, you're buying something. When you buy more things, are you adding to the things that you have, or are you subtracting? When you're buying something and you're getting those things, you're adding. So I know this is going to be an addition problem. So I'm going to say this is an addition problem. But how many am I adding to my collection? I'm adding 16 more. So I know my question is going to be 145 plus 16. Okay, let's solve it. We have all the information we need to know. Let's figure out how many does he have now. So we have to figure out how many does he have together. I had 145. I got 16 more. I need to combine them together to figure out how many I have all together. So let's figure it out using our place value strategy as one of our ways. So we start with 145, 145, so 110, 120, excuse me, 130, 140. Now we go to the ones place, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145. Oh my gosh, the cat is going crazy. Get out of here, kitty. So we have 145. I purchased 16 more, so let's add 16. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I've got my 16. 10, 5, and 1 is 6. So there's my 16 that I added. Now I gotta look, like we've been learning. We've been learning about making compositions. When we compose, we look for tens. I'm using my binoculars. I'm looking at my one spot, and I see 10 ones. And as we know from our song, I'll say it a million times. I've said it again. I'll say it again. 10 ones make 10. So I'm making a new unit of 10. So these ones have become the 10. And I look over here, I look in my 10 spot. I don't think I have more than 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I only have 6 tens and I only have 1 100. So I think I am ready to solve. I have 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 6 tens. And I have 1 1. 161. So do I just have 161 hot dogs, bananas, chickens? I looked back on my question and said board games. So the answer just isn't 161. We have to answer it like it's a real question with a real sentence. So the question asks us, how many does he have now? And you could say he has 161 board games now. That's my answer. So my answer would be, I can type it down here too, 161 board games. There we go. We used our composition. We composed 10 ones into 110, and we solved a word problem. Nice job, everybody. I will be posting 2, count them, 2 word problems for you to try on your own using our place values chart. Good luck. Good to see you. Bye.